Dead Cat Bounce or DCB ba itong ginagawa ni Goldify ha. Last week after a massive sell-off, Monday tayo, this week na nung Monday, nagrarally tayo. Monday, Tuesday, and then yesterday, Wednesday, we're still rallying up. No? So right now, we are trading at the 4,500 level. And kung tuloy-tuloy pa rin itong dead cat bounce niya, na possible dead cat bounce, pwedeng ma-restrict ito hanggang 4,700 area, which will coincide dito sa red cloud ni Tipay sa 4-hour time frame. Look at this. No? Ito rin yung previous swing high nung Friday, March 20, bago siya nag-crash. So there's a probability na pagka umabot tayo dito sa 4.7, may mga sellers pa rin tayo makikita dyan. So kaya nga sabi natin, possible na dead cat bounce. Ngayon, support lies at the 4,500 level. Ito pong area na to. This is 4.5, no? Itong box po na yan. If this fails, probably we're gonna see gold back again sa 4,300. O dito po sa ilalim na to. O yan, pwede tayong bumalik dyan. So yung mga Tipay traders natin, since red cloud ito, they're just looking for an SOR or sell on rally setup. No? So inaantay namin mag-rally yan. And then kapag may setup na red cloud, red dot, long red candle, Tipay traders enters. Ito po, sa 4-hour, mukhang meron na nga ito. Red cloud, red dot, red candle, overpower niya itong green candle. So meron tayong clear dito na sell on rally setup na ongoing. Pagpapasukin nyo yan, you put your stop loss sa taas ng candle, which is around 4,570.